How to fix some keys on laptop keyboard not working in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you are having trouble with the keyboard not working, don't worry. I have got you back. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you can use the on-screen keyboard, which is an emergency solution. For that, go to the search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and you can type in keyboard. Here you will see the option of on-screen keyboard. You can simply click on open on the right side. This will allow you to type while troubleshooting your physical keyboard. The second step is simply you can reinstall your keyboard driver. Right click on the start icon at bottom left corner and select the device manager option. Now you need to locate the keyboard section and then expand it. Here you can easily right click on your standard PS/2 keyboard or any listed keyboard device and you can select the uninstalled device, then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver and boot on. After that you can update your Windows as well. Go to the search icon again and search for settings. Click open and access the setting page. Navigate to Windows Update from the bottom left corner and you can click on check for updates. If there is any update, you can easily update your Windows 11 and troubleshoot your keyboard as well. By following this step, you can fix keyboard issues on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.